Coti Price Forecast, Evaluating the Investment Potential of Coti. The blockchain platform known as Coti has garnered significant interest due to its utilization of a directed acyclic graph (DAG) data structure, which represents a deviation from the conventional linear blockchain approach. The directed acyclic graph (DAG) implemented by Coti enables the simultaneous processing of transactions, resulting in a significant increase in scalability and the capacity to handle a substantial number of transactions per second (TPS). The trust scoring system employed by Coti is designed to quantify the behavior of nodes inside the network. This mechanism assigns a numerical number to evaluate the credibility of a node, taking into account its past actions and history. This technology cultivates a networked atmosphere that encourages the exhibition of integrity and dependability. The DAG structure implemented by Coti enables real-time confirmation of transactions, hence lowering the time required for transaction confirmation. The directed acyclic graph (DAG) structure employed by Coti effectively segregates transactions, hence increasing the difficulty for potential attackers to engage in transaction manipulation. Coti's directed acyclic graph (DAG) incorporates an intrinsic mechanism for dispute resolution, enabling involved parties to address transaction problems without the need for external involvement from third parties. This unique methodology offers a range of advantages, encompassing enhanced scalability, expedited transaction verification, and increased operational effectiveness. Furthermore, Coti offers a banking solution that is conducive to cryptocurrency transactions, encompassing the provision of a bank account and a Visa debit card. This service enables users to securely keep balances of fiat currency and utilize them for global transactions at merchants that accept Visa payments. Additionally, the Coti Pay application enables users to do conversions between cryptocurrencies and traditional fiat currencies. Coti has commenced the deployment of an initial batch of 3,000 debit cards and intends to augment this quantity with an additional 5,000 cards in a subsequent phase. Coti is a digital currency characterized by a fixed quantity of 2 billion tokens, of which 55% are now in active circulation. The Coti tokens has the capability to be staked in order to obtain rewards, as well as being utilized for engaging in platform governance decisions. Coti is set to introduce an APY increase feature for its governance token, Coti, in the upcoming week, representing a noteworthy advancement. This functionality enables users to enhance their annual percentage yield, APY, on Coti deposits within the treasury by a maximum of 800%. This development represents a noteworthy advancement in the progression of Coti's treasury and the overall expansion of the platform. In general, Coti has characteristics that make it a suitable candidate for investment with a moderate level of risk. Coti price projection. Is a $10 Coti valuation attainable? In order to attain a price level of $10, Coti would need to experience a growth of 200-fold. If Coti were to reach a value of $10, its market capitalization would amount to $13 billion. In addition, Coti attained its highest recorded price of 63 cents in November 2021. Furthermore, there was a substantial increase of 6.77 times within a span of 4 months. Namely from the initial value of 9 cents seen in July 2021. Therefore, it saw a growth rate of 1.69 times within a span of 1 month. Hence, a time period of at least 100 months, which is little less than 5 years, is required to accumulate a sum of $10. Considering the magnitude of expansion necessary and the improbable feasibility of sustaining a monthly growth rate of 70%, it is highly improbable that Coti will attain a valuation of $10. However, if there were a burn rate of 75%, this could be considered a highly viable option. Coti price projection. Is it feasible for Coti to attain a value of $100? In order to achieve a valuation of $100, Coti must have a growth of 2,000 units. Based on its observed growth rate of 1.69 times throughout a 1-month period, it can be projected that Coti would necessitate a minimum of 1,000 months to attain a price level of $100. Based on our prior analysis, the growth needs pose significant challenges that render the attainment of a $100 valuation for Coti highly improbable. Nevertheless, a burn rate of 95% would render the proposition slightly more viable. This inquiry pertains to the projected price of Coti, a cryptocurrency, for the years 2023, 2025, and 2030. The purpose of this inquiry is to ascertain the projected price of Coti, currency of the Internet, for the year 2023. It is anticipated that the price of Coti will attain a peak value of 20 cents and a nadir value of 12 cents by the conclusion of the calendar year 2023. A potential forecast for the price of Coti in the year 2025. According to projections, it is anticipated that by the conclusion of 2025, the price of Coti will attain a peak level of 38 cents. According to pricing estimates, the least price level that can be reached by the item is 32 cents. The purpose of this analysis is to provide a forecast for the price of Coti in the year 2030. According to the projected price analysis for the year 2030, it is anticipated that Coti's price may potentially attain a peak level of $1.89 and a trough level of $1.60. Since Bitcoin's price went up by 1.5% recently, people are talking about where it will go in the future. In a recent interview, former SEC Chair Jay Clayton talked a lot about how the crypto world is changing and how people can buy Bitcoin. With the current price of Bitcoin at $29,468 and a 24-hour trade volume of $13.3 billion, the cryptocurrency market is full of excitement. Bitcoin is currently the most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market cap of $573 billion and a rating of number 1 on CoinMarketCap. In this Bitcoin price forecast, everyone wants to know where BTC is going next. Jay Clayton, a former head of the SEC, talks about how the crypto market is changing and how people can buy Bitcoin. Jay Clayton, who used to be the head of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, was recently on CNBC and talked about how crypto regulations are changing and how people can get Bitcoin. Clayton pointed out that the crypto market has changed from its speculative beginnings to a more mature state that attracts institutional players and offers a variety of goods. He pointed out that small investors now have more direct access to Bitcoin, which shows a change away from proxy assets. Clayton also talked about how hard it is for regulators to figure out which cryptocurrencies should be considered securities and how important it is to have clear rules that balance innovation and investor safety. Former SEC Chair Jay Clayton